Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Thinkorswim's spread order. In this walkthrough, we'll set up a spread order from start to finish so you know exactly where to click and what to look for along the way. Begin by opening the Thinkorswim platform. If you're practicing or just getting familiar, consider switching to a paper account so you can learn without risking real capital. Once you're in, make sure you're logged in and your connection is stable, since options, quotes, and spreads update quickly. From the main navigation, go to the trade area. This is where you can search for an underlying symbol and access option chains. In the symbol box, type the ticker you intend to trade and press enter. You should see the live quote update for that symbol, which confirms you're in the right place. Next, choose all products. This view brings together the underlying quote, the option chain, and the order entry tools. It's the hub for building multi-leg strategies like verticals, calendars, iron condors, and more. Locate the option chain section. Here you'll see expiration dates you can expand or collapse. Calls are on one side and puts on the other, with strikes running down the middle. If you plan to trade weeklies or monthlies, expand the specific expiration you want. Take a moment to confirm the underlying price, the implied volatility, and the days to expiration. These details help you pick appropriate strikes and expirations. Above the chain, find the spread dropdown. It typically defaults to single, which is for one-leg orders. Click the drop-down to reveal common templates such as vertical, calendar, diagonal, butterfly, iron condor, and others. Selecting a template tells the platform how to pair legs automatically, which reduces manual errors. Choose the spread type you need. With the template active, click within the option chain to build the position. For example, when vertical is selected, clicking a strike will automatically pair it with another strike at the chosen expiration, creating a credit or debit spread depending on your selection. An order entry panel will appear, showing both legs, the net debit or credit, and the current mid price. Adjust quantity to fit your risk, verify the expiration and strikes, and confirm the order is a debit or credit as intended. If needed, fine-tune the limit price and set the time in force. When everything looks correct, follow the on-screen prompts to review and send the order. Check the buying power effect and the maximum profit and loss before you submit. After sending, the platform will display a confirmation and list the order in your activity, where you can monitor fills or make edits if necessary.